American Furniture Warehouse would like to give a huge shout out and thank you to Glendale's maintenance manager, Cody Taylor, and his landscaping team members.
American Furniture Warehouse constantly looks for ways that they can give back to the community. So we sought out with the city of Glendale to see who is actually in need and where we can best put our efforts towards. American Furniture Warehouse has donated a lot of their man hours and time, and I brought my crew out to really overtake this overgrown yard full of weeds and whatnot to get it back up to city code. I brought 9 people this morning.
Ronnie Ibram, Stephen Frost, Ben Ark, and Mike Madros, Horatio Solis, Cody Rogers, and Sunny Tovar, as well as Justin Motter, Environmental Health and Safety Manager, and Rashad Miles as JJ the Tiger mascot. They came together and donated their time and expertise on a landscaping cleanup project in partnership with the City of Glendale.
Today we are working with American Furniture Warehouse, who contacted the City of Glendale, who wanted to make a difference. And so we were able to put together a project to help some folks in need, beautify a neighborhood, and worked well, and we developed a new partnership with American Furniture Warehouse. And together with the effort of all, we were able to accomplish a big project.
They were able to trim and remove trees, bushes, and weeds to bring a very large piece of land into compliance per the city code.
What you see here was all overgrown. You couldn't see any rocks. If you can look behind us, there's a 40-yard container that is jam-packed full of just overgrown dead vegetation. So looking at this project, I knew that I needed every man that I had.
JJ lends a paw with our team of experts to help make our community a more beautiful place to live. Giving back is certainly at the very heart of what AFW is all about, and we are so proud of this team.